All right, thank you, Microsoft Edge, for the welcome. Except you didn't continue. So again, thank you, Edge. Love you. You can't see me because I don't have a webcam on, but I'm showing the little heart sign right between my. Never mind. Anyway, welcome, welcome to the stream. Hope you guys had a good day. Good night, depending on the time zone you're watching this. So what else does Microsoft Edge has to say? Today we will do some stream manipulation. Okay, I honestly feel like a teacher at this point. Oh no. Anyway, gotta go. Girlfriend person is yelling at me. Oh no, you're in. Go take care of the missus. Bye. That was quick. Thanks for stopping by. Get some dates if you know what I mean. Apparently in this book they mention about dates, and I might learn something from it about dates. So can't wait. What else we're gonna do? And then we switch over to the more interesting topic. Get it? Because I just pulled off Nintendo. Like when they revealed the Switch, they always do the wheel switch and then they snap their finger, in case you guys didn't know. And finally we do some special events. I don't know, but I'm actually looking forward to this. This book is actually interesting. Like, it's not like a boring book that you pick up from the library that teaches you how to do basic variables and like if statements. This one actually make you do interesting things with like HTML, it looks like. And like there's this thing called the DOM. It's still confusing me at this till this day, to this point. So that'll be interesting. Anywho, let's get started. So I kind of want to make this intro to be something like what we did last time, but right now we're going to do something new, and I'm going to try to speedrun it. So let's do this. Let's see how far I can get in the period of like probably 2 hours. Converting strings to integers, that sounds delicious. Let's see, what first of all I need to figure out where the chapter starts with where it starts talking about string manipulation or splicing. Actually, I'll start with changing cases because I think that's where I left off. If I look back in the table of contents, I know you guys can't read this, but if there is a PDF version of a smarter way to learn JavaScript, great, and you can probably see what exactly I'm looking at. Yeah, I think we left off at changing cases, and I will jump ahead because like in the last stream, in the second half, we kind of like jumped around and did functions and while loops, different kinds of loops. So we'll take a look at string manipulation. It's like, well, what's the point of string manipulation? The first thing that comes to mind is when you're parsing data. So like you're doing networking, right? And you send yourself a message because, I don't know, you want to make a little small messaging application on the computer, and you're just like, oh, let me send myself a message. And you just want to parse it for some reason, I don't know. But yeah, it's important. Okay, so I'm gonna follow. Okay, so you ask the user to enter her city, then you check her city against a list of 5 cleanest cities. If the user types in Cheyenne or any of the cleanest cities, your code displays an alert telling that's one of the cleanest. Is it really the cleanest? So okay, I'm going to write out this example. So we got var cleanest cities. This is going to be a kind of boring example because this is not original. This is not coming from me. This is coming from the book. Okay, maybe not because that's insane. So how about this? I'm going to do changing cases. So let's say games. We're obviously going to go and do games. This is game development. Games, capital Nintendo, or actually let me make it look like this. Lowercase Nintendo. Have you guys been keeping up with E3? Oh my gosh. Um, Nintendo's E3 essentially smashed. There's nothing wrong with, or okay, there was a problem that I've been having with Nintendo in their E3, quote unquote E3, and that is just smash. But that's, you know what? But I learned that their E3 is more like a direct, thanks to my friend who's been specifying or clearing things up. So I take back what I said earlier, and I'm just like, okay, well, if that's what they are, I'll take back what I said about like them just spamming Smash all the time. And all right, so and then we want to ask game. That's company. I'm gonna say fave E3. What's your favorite E3 moment, or which company was your favorite E3 moment? A lot of people will probably pick Bethesda, and I'll probably go with that then. So let's see. You enter your city. So, I mean, not enter your city. Jeez, I need to translate this properly to games. So prompt, and I love the autofill there, or telling me which command that I need to use. That's very useful. Just like Visual Studios, except this is watered down. Enter your favorite E3 company or E3 conference, and I noticed that it's a little bit off, so I'll not fix that. And let's see. What we're gonna do is now what? Now we gotta check to see. We gotta tell it to lowercase. What a weird method to call it. To lower. I mean, it makes sense, but like, what? That's kind of oh, okay. It's not excessive. You know what? I'll take back what I said. It doesn't matter. Phase 3. I don't know. I'm just not used to it. I think there was something else in C# that makes it just shorter than just saying to lowercase, but it doesn't matter. It's not a big deal. So now we gotta cycle through. To see if that company that conference that you like is actually valid and is inside the company list. So I'm going to say, was it company? Oh, compact. What the heck is that? It sounds like a company, but length. Originally, I had length to be parentheses, just like probably in C++. I don't know if C# does the same thing, or no, I don't think C# does the same thing. But here we go. We're going to cycle through, and we're going to check to see if fav3 is equal to any of the company. It's inside the list. So we're doing a linear search because this is the most easiest thing ever, and plus it's only like 3 elements in there, so don't fight me on the whole like big O notation complexity of this algorithm. It's only 3 lists or 3 items. So here we go. Alert. We found. Yes, it is in the list. So, all right, and then we're gonna break because there's no point of continuing. So, and then no, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So if we refresh, I think this is an easier way. Oh yeah, so I don't have to like close this out all the time. So yeah, I can just leave it like this, like I had in the Python programming streams. So enter your favorite conference. I'm just going to say not Sony, obviously. So I'm just going to call Ubisoft. And what do we get? Nothing, and that's intended. But if I were to redo this and say Bethesda, okay, honestly, Bethesda is not my favorite company, but yeah, it's in the list. It's in the company list that we have up there. So, but if I were to be a troll and say capital N, lowercase I, capital N, so every consonant is going to be capital, but if I lowercase the vowels, then it should still work, because after we got our favorite E3 conference, we forced it to have all the characters to be lowercases, so we can check it with all these lowercase companies. So alright, cool. Next, strings, measuring length and extracting parts. We already kind of got we already figure out how to get the length. So slice, freaking, I keep thinking slice for some reason. Wow, that's kind of ridiculous. Wow. Okay, slice. So what was it, brown fox jump over or something? Or here, let's do another game reference. So message, no company, we don't need company for this. Nintendo's E3 will last for 3 days, and it will be talking about, it'll be about the new Smash game. Okay, so that's our message. Let's spice it. So we want to probably get to 3 games, right? So oh my gosh, this is gonna be intense. To splice it, let's see, or you know what, to make it more EFGHIJKLMNOPQRSTUVWY, did I say I? WTUVWXYZ. I do not know my alphabet. Okay, so this is actually what I want. So here's the alphabet. I don't know why I was about to call it message, but oh my, not a 0. Oh, not a 0 again, please. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to splice, and we're going to get the word hi. If you guys can't see hi in here, I'll just capitalize them here. So we're going to try to get that out of the string. So let's figure that out. So we're going to say, we're going to tell it, here's the alphabet. Here is the alphabet. We're going to concatenate it, alphabet. So let's get high. Okay, not like that. I just realized what I just said can be ambiguous, and you guys don't think like that. Come on, no, don't do drugs. Come on, guys. I'm joking. Do whatever you want, but as long as you don't like hurt yourself. You know, I don't know how to talk about that kind of stuff on stream. That's intense. I'm just a noob with streaming, so I don't know, just don't do it. Here's the alphabet. Let's get high extracted. I can't leave it at saying let's get high. I gotta actually add a word afterwards. This is a general audience stream. So that's what this is going to be rated. It's not M or rated A. It's general audience. It's not PG-13. Not T for teens. It's freaking G-A. So let's see. I'm going to cheat, obviously, because I have to count. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So let's get var h, and it's going to be equal to alphabet dot slice. I gotta stop thinking about splice for some reason. This is because I don't know, Bioshock is just a thing that just is in my head all the time for some reason. Every time I think about splicing a freaking alphabet or a string, it's like, oh, SPLICE. It's like, no, the command is, or the method is called splice. Slice. Here we go again. I can't say it. All right, so obviously this is gonna be 8 because it's like right after H. Let's just hope I have the alphabet correctly. Watch it be like a typo. I probably missed something. So what you have extracted here we go, is H plus I. Oh my. Can I type? Alright, here we go. Let's test it out. This is so cool that I can refresh Microsoft Edge. This is the best IDE for JavaScript. Here's the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, H, I, J, K. Wow, I and L just looks so familiar. It's so messed up. Let's get high extracted. Remember what you have extracted. Holy frick, I did not mean to do that. What? How? If you omit the second number inside of parentheses, Java includes... Oh, wow. If I only read this one sentence here. If you omit the second number inside the parentheses, JavaScript includes all the characters to the end of the string. So, wow. So, alright. So the second number is excluded. So I can be like, here's 8. Here's 9, and I can just add them up together. So let's try this again and not see the whole alphabet. So there's the alphabet, get it? Let's get high extracted. And what have I extracted? High. So apparently, as I read a little bit more, I can just combine this together and just say that, and this should do the same results. If not, then I can just eat this page like a goat. Oh, I'm an idiot. I just freaking press OK too quickly. Let's get high extracted. Oh, right. I didn't combine these two together. Yeah, I'm not actually going to eat this page. I'm on a diet. So let's get high extracted. What do you have extracted? High. That's right. Say hi to everybody who's watching this. So before my computer gets high and tells me that it's low on battery, I gotta charge the computer. Alright, cool. Great. So what's the next step here? So yeah, we already know about length. Finding segments. Whoa, okay, that's gonna be intense slicing. Here we go. So you already know the band segment and replace it. Suppose the paragraph above have been assigned to the variable text. Wow, that they even mentioned J.R.R. Tolkien in this book. That's something. Do you expect me to write out this whole paragraph? Oh boy. So World War II. Say they should. Okay, so are we going to do like a find and replace kind of script here? That'll be interesting. So you already know to find a way to band segment and replace it. Suppose the paragraph above has been assigned to a variable text. Okay, so wow. I actually want to try this out. So I guess I'm gonna write a story here, and a smaller story than they have in the book. So here we go. Story. When I take a shower. What? No, it's took. Past tense. I'm not an English major. When I took a shower before I stream, I saw a cockroach. It was disgusting. I was naked, not wearing my normal bathing suit to bathe. I drowned the cockroach and scooped it up and put it in the toilet. That's run-on sentence right there. Then finally I put it in the toilet and flushed it down. Remember, this is general audience stream. Story. Alright, so what we're gonna do, since the word cockroach has the word cock in it, I gotta censor it. So what I'm gonna do, because again this is a general audience stream, so here we're gonna go. So for If this book is japing or like tricking me, I freaking jape. So okay, var I equals 0. I is less than this length of the story, and I plus plus. Okay, so text. No, it's not text. It's story. My bad. Story dot slice. Oops. If. No, it's an if statement. My bad. If story dot slice. So we're getting the. We're getting. Oh wait. Is. Oh okay. So it's counting plus 4. So that would be plus 4. Is equal. Oh, triple equal. You gotta double check your condition to see if it's actually true. I mean, what is true? Can you be certain of things like that? If it equals to I'm about to laugh when I type out that. So mature, Andre. I know. If God dang, then that Jesus. Oh my gosh. If that's equal to cock. Oh my gosh. Okay. Have story. Dot slice to be equal to 0 I plus wait, what? Oh, okay. So it's only replacing it once. So have that equal to, have that to be I plus 4. No, it should be 3, right? I think it should be, nope, 4, you're right. 4, have it to be, brick. I can say, I can replace it with it, right? Or this is a trick, isn't it? Story dot slice dot 0 to I plus that. So we're gonna end it off like that. Oh, forgot my quotation mark. And oh, and it does continue on. I didn't see the wraparound. So we got text. Oops, it's story. They have it. They call it text in the book. Story slice the I plus 12. Oh, plus 4. Cool. So let's give that a shot. I want to actually see the story. So here's the original story. I'm going to alert that story because I'm not writing it all out in there. And if I should probably make this bigger so it can stand out better in the sea of text. And let's see, alert story. Here we go. Let's give it a shot. Save, redo. When I took a shower before I stream, I saw a cockroach. It was disgusting. I was naked, not wearing my normal bathing suit to bathe. I drowned the cockroach and scooped it up. Or wow, I forgot to make that past tense. Finally, I put into the toilet. Wow, okay, I can't English, and I messed up. All right, cool. Oh wow, what did I just say? What did I just say? BioShock fan. I freaking added in the P. And I'm here making a bathroom story. When I took a shower, oh, well, you know the story. I already made some error. Oh, okay, there we go. When I took a shower before I streamed, I saw a beep, a roach, and it was disgusting. I was naked, not wearing my normal bathing suit to bathe. I drowned a beep, or a roach, and scooped it up. Finally, I put it in the toilet and flushed it down. That was beautiful. That was a beautiful fan fiction between me and the cockroach. That was disgusting. Anyway, let's move on to the next part before things get more fan-fiction-y. Finding a character at a location, really? That's... You know what? I'm going to use this example. because it's small and it's probably the only example you'll see here. So character at location, let's see. So as opposed to using the 2 parameters in slice, I can just be like, here's my text. Hey, this is boring. Hey, how are you doing? So I'm going to loop through, stop thinking about other languages that are good, and oof, did I just trash JavaScript? I didn't mean to. So var is going to be text.length I plus plus, right? And we want to check to see if text dot, and this is a special function or method called char at I, if it's equal to question mark. This isn't exactly what it is in the book, but I'm just making things up. Hey, said who? How's it going? It's been a long time. How you been? Okay, so then here we're going to say question mark has been found. If that's English, I hope. Oh, I can just leave it at found. And then break. Awesome. So if I were to run this and use the power of edge, it will tell me a question mark is found. Yeah, I know. Man, it's been forever. But okay, so that's easy. That chapter only lasts for 1 page. I believe it. Replacing characters. Oh frick! But we already replaced the characters before in that last story. What's up with that? Replacing characters. In previous chapters, you learn how to 2 different ways to replace World War II with Second World War in the string. First, there was this loop and slice approach. Wait, are you serious? There was a function that you can. There's a replace function. Are you serious? Oh, it's been okay. You haven't made anything interesting. Well, I mean, that's alright. I mean, consider it as like a day off or something, or like, you know, going easy. But today, like, I freaking like suffered for 6 hours trying to make my first Unity application on an Android, and it was intense. So it was stupid because like I downloaded Android Studio, right? And it's like, download the SDK. Oh yeah, here, I can write out the story. So it says download Android Studio to get Android SDK. Then I installed it and waited for it to finish installing. Then I encountered an error where I couldn't find the Android folder in the C drive. Can't find it. I'm just gonna leave it like that. In the end, after 6 hours, I found it inside the Android Studio. Can you believe that? It's like, here, you know, download Google Chrome and install it. So you did, but then it's like, would you like to open up Google Chrome? No. You would think like you already got, you know, the stuff downloaded and installed. You don't need to open it up. So I didn't open it up. I was like, okay, now where's the folder? And it's like, oh, you know, it's not there. And then like when I open up Android Studio, after I download and installed Android Studio for the 3rd time, I opened it up for once. I was like, all right, fine. And he's like, would you like to download the SDK? I'm like, was this not the SDK? Are you freaking serious? Why? Why do you do this to me, Java? What did I do to you? It's because I've been trash talking Java without even knowing the language. That's okay. I blame Jason. I'm joking, Jason. Jason, you know, don't worry. Please don't hate me, Jason. So let's give this a shot with this new function. So var new text is gonna be, we're gonna replace Android with the censorship because that's how disgusting it is. So I'm gonna replace text, replace. So this is a legit thing. We're gonna replace Android. Yeah, there is enough Android. Let me make this like the other one so that way it actually does better. So Android. What is this? The Second World War. So it just has it like Android equals to a censorship right there. Beautiful. JavaScript is alright. Yeah. Like, I'm actually interested in this book. Like, it's not like any other book where it's just like, oh, pick up a book and, you know, pick up a language and you can learn about if statements, loops, and strings and stuff like that. This one actually teaches you like a little bit of the basics in the beginning, and then like gets you talking about like events and like, I don't even know what the DOM is, but that's a thing. And oh, I didn't alert. And it gets really interesting. It's like you got events, the DOM, exceptions. Hold on, I'm just trying to get to the thing. The DOM, events, objects, browser control. Browser control looks insane. Form validation. It's like, whoa, dude, that's insane. And it's all in this book for beginners. And I'm like, this is a really interesting tutorial book. Alert. So here I'm going to alert text and alert new text. Next text I'm not reading. Give me a sec. Made a new shader toy thing. I see 11 dots if I count correctly. Chaos game, click on the screen. Oh my, that's a lot of pixels. That's a lot of colorful pixels. Nice transitions. Oh wait, it forms like a pentagon. Oh, that's cool. And it's rainbow. Oh, that's insane. That's cool. That's chaos game. Also self-advertisement. I know you are. You got me. You definitely got me. Alright. The reason why we didn't see anything is I didn't alert. So download Android Studio to get Android SDK. Then I installed it and waited for it to finish installing. Then I encountered an error where I couldn't find an Android folder in the C drive, and in the end, after 6 hours, I found it inside this Android Studio. So download the Android, then installed it, finished, wait. Oh, this is supposed to be censored. Oh, it's not the same, that's why. Then I encountered an error where I couldn't find a beep folder. See, that's a curse word right there. You don't know what it is. In the end, after I found it, what happened here? Why is this one? Android. What? Are you serious? Oh, it only replaces it once, right? Okay, that seems to be accurate. Oh, I lost my spot. Okay, so examples of only the first instance of a string is replaced. If you want to replace all instances, you must let JavaScript know what you want a global replace. A global replace. Wow, that's a thing. Okay, so I need to put this. I need to put this around. Yeah, I know. Android is censored and it deserves it for what it gave me today. Freaking. Wow, that is a weird color text, but I'm going to deal with it. Oh no, what am I doing? Save. Refresh. Here we go. Download Android Studio so and so. Oh my gosh, I downloaded this blank studio to get you know what, I gotta fix that. I'm not gonna fix it code wise, I'm gonna be artistic about it. Here, this is what we're gonna do to make it up. Much better. That's the output that we got. There's a bug inside this method that turns like the text that you want to replace into a blue smudge. So download blank studio to get SDK. Then I install and wait for it to finish installing. Then I encounter an error where I couldn't find the blank folder in the C drive. In the end, after 6 hours, I found it inside the blank studio. Awesome. Alright, cool. Rounding numbers. Wow, that sounds boring. Math. Can't wait to do some math. Score average. Generate random numbers. Okay, I'll combine the random numbers with math floor, math ceiling. Alright, let's do that. So we're gonna do like what we did in C++, where we had this like hot competition. So let's see, code generates pseudo random number with 16 decimal places. So var random number, how hot is the chat right now? And no, that should be prompt. Chat score. Chat score is going to be prompt. How hot is the chat right now? And then what we're going to do is oh, okay, I can get rid of this. Nope. Okay, that's gone. No more of Android. I mean, oops. Random number. Judge. No. How hot? No, not a prompt. Jeez. Alert. How hot? Or I'm asking Edge. Asking Edge. How hot am I? And Edge's score is going to be whatever random number. So we're going to do math.random. As simple as that. No import library, it seems. And then we're just going to say I as in the edge. I edge rate you as edge score. There we go. So, converting strings to a converting integers and decimals. Oh, frick. Oh wait, so does it convert depending how it's being used? Let's give it a shot. Is Jason here today? I think here. Oh no, Jason's not here. Unfortunately. Oh wow. Edge rates me as a 0.36. That's pretty darn low. Let's fix that. So it gives me between 0 and 9. So technically I'll be a 3. So let me actually multiply that by 10 then. I mean, yeah, it's weird, I bet. But I don't know, apparently JavaScript can do that. I remember in C# and you can just have it to be dot to string. So you edge rate me as a 5. Thanks, Edge. My turn to rate Edge. And then no. And then we gotta have Google Chrome. Google Chrome will have its own. Chrome rate you as. So apparently the browsers are going to have this contest, or like I'm part of this contest to see how hot I am, depending which browser it is, I guess. So Chrome's answer. What's another browser I should put in as a judge? Probably Firefox. Who likes Firefox, right? Okay, so iChrome rates you as this. So Chrome is gonna be nice. It's gonna be the nicest judge out of the 3. And then we're gonna have alert again for Firefox. Fox rate you as. So are you excited for Star Fox or E3, or were you excited for E3? Man, I was surprised that Star Fox is gonna be featured in a game that's not Nintendo. But you know what? That's okay. Firefox is hot. Oh yeah. That foxy person over there is on fire. Oh man, I apologize for that. Kappa. Yep. Deserved. That fox is on fire. How hot am I? Edge rate you as a 5.7. Wow, geez, Edge freaking hates me. Chrome hates me more. And Fox, really? Fox? Will I ever get a 9? At least? Or a 7? Let's try this again. An 8. Thank you, Edge. Chrome, I hate you. Wow, Fox. I love the franchise. What's wrong with you? My heart is broken. You know what, Edge? You know what? I'm sorry that I insulted you for calling you a PDF viewer. Freaking Edge loves me. Freaking gave me an 8. Okay, so there is a way to what the frick? Okay, so then that was converting strings to integers and decimals. Yeah, but I can bias the scores, lol. Yeah, I know. I could just, you know, put some numbers in their equation and be like, hey, how about that high number, Chrome? I'm looking at you, Chrome. Firefox, I don't care. But you saw a game that looks like an anime, a bit like Borderlands. What, like, is it from Nintendo or from Square Enix? Enter your age. How about I don't put my age? How about I do something more related to E3 this time? So far, game rate. How about some Smash? Let me Smash. Enter rate Smash Ultimate. And it's gonna be, let's see, years eligible to what? Vote? Okay. Nintendo Direct. No, wait. How many times? How many times do you think that they show Smash? How many times do you think that Nintendo Direct showed Smash Ultimate on stream today? Nintendo Direct is going to be biased, and it's going to be saying it's whatever game rate is plus 100, or no, let's be realistic, 7. And I forgot my equal sign. That's very important. Game rate, this is more like Smash frequency. Let me smash. You don't know? It looked like it's cool. Some futuristic hovering vehicle. I don't know. I mean, there's a lot of games that are futuristic, or especially in Bethesda, where it's just like it's like a dystopian future or a Fallout, and there's your game. I don't know. Was it from yesterday or today? I mean, I saw a little bit of Nintendo yesterday and today, but so this is going to be about parsing game rate to a string. So let's try Nintendo Direct. Nintendo Direct. It has been viewed, or it has been shown. Nintendo Direct. Oh, come on. Get that space there. It shows that many times, as many as Nintendo Direct has been. So there's a special function called parse int, which sounds familiar when I was doing that, or when me and Jason were doing the multiplayer console from scratch, C#. It's Sable. I'll just look it up. It looks very raw, like PS2 games. Oh, that's cool. I mean, if those who are a big fan of like PS2, then that's cool. Oh wait, that's not gonna work, right? Yep. That. Why am I parsing int to a string? Hey Nick, how's it going? Yo, what's up? You ready for Smash? Let me smash. Gosh. How many times do you? Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't even do English. How many times do you think? Where is my U? Do you think that Nintendo Direct showed Smash Ultimate on stream today? So, let's redo. I want proper English. How many times do you think that Nintendo Direct showed Smash Ultimate on stream today? I'm going to say, I don't know, 3 times. I only saw it 3 times, right? And it's not learning because it has shown something amount of times. What's going on in here? That sounds like I was constipated. Profit 200 minus duck. That makes sense. Ducksu. Glorious Ducksu. So how the frick do I convert a number to a string? Converting strings to a number, numbers to strings. Are you serious? Just when I turn the page, it just tells me how to do it. Number as string. I'm looking. Number to string. So it's just like C# then. Well, I saw like 4 times, right? But in actuality, since I didn't see it, wait, why? Why is it not? Why? Nintendo Direct is game rate plus 7. Try add backslash after that maybe. What, this one? I think it's a multi-line string. Let me alert. Let's see what we get out of Nintendo Direct. Or that won't tell us the type it is. You know what? No, let's convert this. This is parse int. We're going to turn this string into an integer, add 7, and then we're going to convert it here to a string, thus covering like 3 chapters. So I'm just going to guess again 3, and it's not doing it. Cool. So this is debug time. You call it smash frequency, that's why. Oh, smash frequency, that's, okay. Thank you. Wow, I'm an idiot. I didn't even, I was like, wow, okay. Thank you, said who. It has been shown 10 times. Alright, cool, we got it. That's why. But let's change this back to where we don't explicitly convert it to a number. I think it should still work because of context, right? It's been shown 37 times. Wow, okay, boys. I didn't pay attention to that. Wow, okay. Wow. 37 times. You see that from 10 to 37? How does that work? 1 1 1 1 1. Oh. Wait, is 3 in ASCII? Or I mean in binary? Well, let's see. Okay. 32 16. No, it's not. Wow. Okay. That's weird. So we pretty much did 3 chapters in one exercise. Controlling the length of decimals, who cares? Wow, geez, decimals, wow, okay. Alright, getting the current date and time. So, now it's time for us to get dates, if you know what I mean. And that is, bar, right now. What do you think I mean? Like, you think this is like some kind of, this is like, what do you call that? Wow, I just brain farted in my head. Wow. Okay. Alright. I guess I can't make a dating app joke because I forgot what's the name of that popular app. That dating app. Wow. I was about to say, like, what do you think this is? eHarmony or something? No, we're talking about like time-wise. So alert. Let's get the time right now. What is that name of the app again? I can't believe it just like got out of my head. Like I was like, yeah, I was about to finish the sentence. I remember it, and then like once I got to that point, I was like, Tinder. Thank you. Wow. How did I forget about that? Wow. I mean, I would remember later on, but like I kind of want to like know it right now. So right now, as you can see, it's Wednesday, June 13th, 2018. Still summertime. It's 10:49. It's definitely not 17 seconds already. GMT, I guess that's the offset. So, alright, cool. That's pretty cool. And date the string right now. Oh, I can get the I can do right now, like get individual components, like get the day. So let's try that. So the day. Oh wow, this is not English. Right now, the get day. And let's see, day names. Oh, okay. Oh, I can index them individually too, so I can get the var day names. I remember from the Loud House, there was this part where the two older sisters, they were fighting, and over a dress, and they had an episode pretty much. Throughout the episode, they were just fighting, and in the end, in the conclusion, the oldest one, she's like, okay, we made a deal where it's like I wear the dress on the days that ends in the Y, and she gets to wear it, for the rest of the week, for the rest of the day. So I was like, you mean every day it ends with the letter the Y, and so in other words, she'll never get a chance to wear the dress. That Y. So name of today. This is straight from the book. name of today is equal to day names the day. Oh, I see what it's doing. It's just, so let's see, gets the day, gets the name of the day, and then oh, I should capitalize these because it's gonna be like, oh, you know, you didn't you know what, no, I want to take advantage of that new function I learned. So this book also advocates you to like read for 10 minutes and like do the exercises, where I'm like, no, I'll make a stream about it. To lowercase. I think it's not a function, but let me double check. It's like the first thing I did. Changing case, and it's 2 lowercase, 2 uppercase. Yeah, it's with parentheses. Cool. So if I save right now, and if I actually print out something, that'll be great. Name of today. Undefined. Great. Why? Oh. Is it because of that? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh wait, what was the point? Let me just have it the way the book has it. Just check it out. Get rid of this. I don't know why I have to do this, but I'll do it anyway to figure out why shortly. The day, we'll get the day now. It's going to start off with a capital letter. It'll find the day in the list based off of the, maybe the day is in a string. Maybe it should be, I think. Wednesday. Okay. So you can find the element in here by just plugging in the element that you want to find, I guess. So if I put in Tuesday here, it's just gonna automatically find it and just echo it out. Interesting. I think it is a string. Let me take a look. Right now to string. Right now state. So this is what I get. Right now get day. Yeah, it doesn't have. It extracts the day of the week as a number and assigns it to the day variable. Gets the number of the day. So okay, yeah, I just saw that bullet point. It says, so it creates an, okay, so we have an array. First we created an array. I have this out of order. Creates a new date object and assigns it to now. Extracts the day of the week as a number and assigns it to the day. And uses the day number as the index to specify the correct array element, i.e. the day name. Wow. Extracting parts of the date and time, so that way you don't forget, you know, your actual date, you know, that you have this week. And speaking of dates, I also have to wake up early in the morning to get blood extracted. So yay for me, because I'm not a fan of needles. Get month, get date, get full year, get hours, get minutes, seconds, milliseconds, get time. Milliseconds since midnight of January 1st, 1970. So, wow, okay, so if I want to say military time, no, there are two ways to format the time or day. It would be get the month right now dot get month, the day, the year right now, get year, and or it's called full year, right? So yeah, it's called full year. Let's do that. Let's fix that. Full year. And I guess to get the normal time, bar the hour, or I'm just gonna call it time. The time is equal to right now dot get time. So what does it look like when I just have it as right now? So alert right now alert dot. So do they all return a number? Yes, they do actually return a number. So get month returns the day, the number. Yeah, so they all return numbers. So I gotta figure out. Okay, this is the part where I actually have to convert to string. So let's do the month. No, wait, it's gonna be the day to string plus. This is gonna be a weird way of making a string message or whatever. The day to string, it's gonna be the month, I believe, is the next to string. If I can type well enough, please. And the year to string. And we're going to say the time. Lastly, the time. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. To, not capital T. To string, please. There we go. That should work. Let's give it a shot. So they have it formatted with the starting off with the name of the day and June, month, date, year, and then the time. Whereas we have it to the day, the month, the year, the time. So we have wow. We got to convert these into months and stuff, but I don't want to do that. So, alright, cool. So I'm not going to convert the time to a string. That's insane. Specifying a date and time. How many days before the U.S. Social Security program goes broke? Wow, what kind of questions? That's how the chapter started off. How many days before the United States Social Security program goes broke? Let's start with an estimated date. According to the system's trustees, the money will run out in 2035. Okay. What the? Okay, this is just more time stuff. Set seconds, past a sec. Okay, so this is just saying you can set the time elements to a different number. Set month. Like I can be like, I can just be like, hey, today's, or how about that smash reveal? So smash. The release date for Smash is, yep, the Smash date is gonna be right now is equal to right now. Wait, that doesn't make sense. Okay, I just need to write a method here. Right now dot set month to be 12, and right now is equal to set day, or set day to be the 7th. I don't think it cares if I put 07, but I'm just gonna put 7 just in case. Set date. What? Set date. Day of the month. Oh wait, so it's not day, it's date? That does not make sense. It looks like you're overwriting this whole entire object with this one method. But oh well. Set. What about year? Full year. You know what? No, it doesn't matter because it's the same year. It comes out on December 7th. And alright, let's give it a shot. So I'm going to alert right now. We should be able to see the result, the accurate result of when the Smash Ultimate comes out. So I'll put that here. Ultimate. When we pronounce the A-T-E in ultimate as met or mate, ultimate. What? January 7th, 2019. Wow, okay, so oh right. It 0 through 11, not 0 through 12. I was actually thinking like a normal person, not a computer. December 7th, 2018. And it just kept the 11:03. That's fine. Or I mean, it's 11:03 in my time zone. Okay, cool. Changing elements, time in there, and date. Functions. Oh boy, functions. Actually, we can skip that because that's what we did in the last stream. Functions passing through data. Okay, I think this is the part where we start like skipping through. We're skipping through some chapter switch statements. That's just a series of if statements, while loops, we did that, do while. I think this might be the part where we this is actually the part where we do fun stuff. Placing scripts. JavaScript code doesn't care where it lives. It can be mixed in with, that is embedded in the HTML that creates a web page, or like an external CSS file. It can be placed in a separate file that is loaded by the HTML file. Wow. I wonder how I've been doing this the whole time. Am I doing this in HTML? Yeah, sure I am. So, okay. Yeah, I've been doing this the whole time. Cool. Next, commenting. This is a comment. Oh, so I can comment like this. I don't have to do this. If you remember that, that's HTML comment. Or I don't remember if it's open bracket, exclamation point, triple dashes, right? And then you end it off with like a double. I don't remember exactly how many, but let's give it a shot. Yep. Alright, cool. I was worried that if I just do a double, if I just do like the normal comment, it wouldn't work before. Events, link. Oh my gosh, this is the best. This is the cool part. Events. This is what I think it is. Cool. So, alright. A good website is an interactive website. The user does something, clicks a button, moves a mouse, presses a key, and something happens. JavaScript give you many ways to respond to a user's needs. A few examples. Okay, so please give me an example for me to try out. Alright, so href. Is that a thing? As an HTML coder, you're familiar with the beginning and end of this markup, da da da. Let's break it down. But can you give me like an example? Okay, so can I just do this then. A href. What? JavaScript void. What the heck is this line of code? I've never seen this before. On click equals var greet. This is convoluted. Never seen this before. Hi. Wait, hi is hi with apostrophe semicolon alert greet. I feel like this is not the way I was taught back in web dev. Click dot this slash a. No, it's not. This is intense. Href on click. Got that. Var greet equals hi alert greet. What even? I'm missing something. Something's not right here. Hi. What the frick? Why? Oh, now it changes. Oh, I missed a backslash? I have a backslash here. I don't think there's any more backslashes besides that. Alright, let's give it a shot. And it doesn't work. Greet. Oh. So it's greet equals slash hi. That's not what it has in the book, but okay, I'll give it a shot. Alright. Cool, let's give that a shot. Not working. Great. Okay, so it's time to debug this guy's code that he has in the book. So a href equals JavaScript colon void parameter 0 quotation space on click is capital C. That's probably why it didn't work. Doesn't even know what on click small c is. Okay, that's not it. The quotes have to be same properly. Oh yeah, the guy has it like this. But then what does this enclose? Okay. Nope. Equals. This whole thing is highlighted for some reason. No, wait. Equals var greet equal hi semicolon alert greet dot click. Is it because I don't have a... You know what? There is a shorter version actually. Here, let me try that. So it's on click alert. Nope, forgot my that quotation for some reason. Alert dot hi semicolon quotation mark brackets. Alright, that should do it. put a outside of script? Oh, like oh, this needs to go outside. Oh wow, that's much colorful now. Oh. Oh, okay, so that's just an HTML thing then. Alright. Thank you, ZipHacks. Wow, that's... Okay, so that's what it was. It's just I have it inside the script tags, not in the HTML. Okay, that's cool. But I never seen it done like with like a href is equal to JavaScript void. That's weird. So let me see if I can try to get that work with the variable then. So we got var greet is equal. This is really weird with the colored text. Is hi semicolon alert greet. Okay. So here we go. OnClick equals var greet, double checking here, equals hi that. So all this should be fine then. Click is still there, but it's not doing anything. So if I have the var greet, that mean I have to, maybe if I just pull it out like that. Oh my gosh, what happened there? Var greet is equal to hi with it, the book has it with an apostrophe right there for some reason. That does not make sense. Inside script put the var. Oh, so inside here I would have to do, why is the text all like bolded and colorful all of a sudden? Greet will be hi, I guess. Can I just leave it like that, or do they all need to go in there? No, it's not. It's broken up. Oh. Well, I forgot what was the question I asked that the answer belongs to. So var greet is equal to hi. You're supposed to give a JavaScript string to onClick. So can you like write that down in the chat? Like how would you do it? I'm sorry, I can't really. I couldn't understand or translate your answers. I know you guys are like probably face palming right now, but you know what? There's gonna be a lot of face palming moments in this stream, but okay. Here's a function. Okay, I do see. Okay, so I guess I do need to write function greet return hi. Okay. Yeah, I looked ahead a little bit and it did something. It did have like a function. So greet return. Nope, not hit. Oh my. I didn't mean to do that. Return hi. Save. Refresh. Click. Click. Okay, I'm doing something stupid. Alert. Hi. Why are you alerting me? Hi. Greet. Click var. Let me get rid of this. This is messing me up. Or I'm just coming up with a random excuse. Do onClick var greet. I'm going to copy that. Copy. That's what I do. Copy. Well, not all the time. Okay, don't think I'm a bad person for that. I don't copy all the time. Just want to let you know. You mean alert / hi. Okay, so alert, you meant like instead of return. Oh. Alright. Yeah, that's what you meant. Okay. And then it requires a parameter, right? Alert, greet. / is escape character for compiler interpreter in C2. But like, this is a markup language though. Or how does this thing get compiled? It is a markup language, right? So like it doesn't really get... You have an extra tick right there. For some reason that backslash is not highlighted. Why? Oh, is it because this thing is not directly... Oh my, this is... Oh boy. How does this work? Wow. I have to try to keep it in one line. I mean, I can move the script like that, so... Oh, never mind. Oh, well, that's fine. I mean, helping me out. H, greet. H goes in there to alert. Well... Does that make sense? Because alert is like JavaScript's echo, and then you have this function greet, but we're having greet as a variable up here. Oh, just have... Okay, so just redo this whole thing to be a function call, to be greet. So that is much prettier. Oops, let me refresh. Yep, that is much prettier than what the book has. Thank you, Zipax, and thank you, SaidWho12. Yeah, wow. What, like, what's on earth with this book? Okay. But cool. That's something what I remember, or like it looks more familiar than what this book had. But I don't remember this whole JavaScript :void 0. Try your version 2. All right. So it's gonna be, so SaidWho's version is gonna be var greet. So this is gonna be simple, like you got that, and no quotation after hi, but it's just an apostrophe or a single quote, and then it's gonna be greet. Hopefully it's smart enough to think that it's not the function I'm trying to call. So there we go. All right, cool. Yeah, all right, cool. Thank you, everybody. So events, buttons. All right, buttons. Okay, so here's the code. What? So input type. Okay, so I remember. So here we go. This is gonna be, so this, I gotta say, this is for buttons, and this one's gonna be for, oh wait, that's not buttons, that's what's this called again? Link. So this is link, and this is buttons. Buttocks. And script. What? Oh. Do all scripting inside script? HTML is just for calling. Okay, that's a good thing. That's a good way to remember. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so and I can just call them by doing this, right? Just like a normal program, or like when you do a normal function calling, you can just write out the signature. I guess I take it as. So I would, since I'm not too familiar with this, I would probably try to rickroll you guys, but I don't know how to like say if I click on the link, it'll open up a YouTube video. But let's see. So, but I'm just moving on. Let's see. Let's go into, no wait, this is links. My bad. We're on buttons now. So here's a code. Input type. So it's called input type button. I thought that was a typo in the book. I was like, I'm not surprised. Click. So I guess it's gonna refer to up here, right? This click. and on click. Why is it automatically on lowercase? Equals alert. So this looks familiar. Hello world. So in this case, I'm going to take advantage of this and make this as that, have a parameter, and just have it echo out that. So in this case, they have it as a simple hello world. I'm going to do hello chat. And we ended off there. And so this matches up. This matches up. Oh my god. So it doesn't seem to matter. To open YouTube videos, it's super simple. Just change href to be the link. It doesn't matter if it's upper or lowercase. Oh, okay. That's good to know, because for some reason it automatically goes to lowercase c, but like when I retype it, it shows like capital C. So hello chat, greet, and we're gonna put hi here, so we have a different thing. So let's try this out. We got click, that's for the first hi from the link. The button here says hello chat. Cool. That's actually pretty cool. And too bad I'm not really a web designer, but it's good that I can do something roughly like that, I guess. To open up YouTube videos, it's just simple, changing href to be a link. Can you please provide a like pseudocode for me or something, or like do I need to copy and paste the YouTube link into that piece of line of code or something? Okay, so oh, I can provide an image. Boy, do I have a lot of anime stuff in my folder. I can't wait. So let's try that. I want to say we're gonna have a guest star, right? We're gonna say hello, Vanille. She's gonna join the chat. I mean, not join the chat. Join the website that we're going about to make. I gotta love the imagination that I have in my head right now. Okay, so we got source. It's image. Is it really just image? I highly doubt that's just the case. So source is equal to button. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. Alright, so let me fix that. That's not what it's called. Where's my wallpaper? This downloads, right? Where is it? Where is that? Where is she? Where is it? Have you guys ever heard of Final Fantasy 13? You gotta understand this reference. Okay, I literally can't find it. That's strange. Oh, never mind, I found it. Cool. It was there the whole time. Let's see. How do I access the... Holy frick. I just recently graduated too. Why can't I just fricking... Come on. Can I copy the link, please? Alright, you got the famous Rickroll video? Alright, let's do this. So, hello. Get Rickrolled. Let's do this. Alright, so alert, hello. Let's change that to be get rolled. Oh, that's probably a bad idea for having a single quoted marker there. So let's try that. And just in case, I'm just going to have it so that way you guys can hear it. I'm not sure how that sounds like in the stream. Are we doing good so far? Game audio sounds okay. I'm not playing anything, so let's give it a shot. Get rolled. Oh boy. It's taking me out of here. Where's it gonna take me? I see YouTube up here. What is it? Uh-oh. Oh, we're gonna get watched. Oh boy. So, if it's not Rickroll, I'm immediately exiting this out for the sake of me probably not gonna get banned on Twitch. Oh, this is just tutorial. This is JavaScript tutorial. Okay, you got me. You got me. Well done. That was very clever. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Let me check out the properties. Can you guys hear that? I feel like it is actively playing. I'm just making sure. Let's try its Spanish tutorial. Alright. So I do see virtual audio cable picking up the audio, so I guess it does work. Cool. We're gonna stop that because that's not the stream. But thank you, said who. I see you did some JavaScript inception. Well done. Pat on the back. So get some source image, please. Let's see. I need to Vanille welcomes. Or what is a PNG that I can just casually use? What do I have here? Vanille wallpaper, I guess. No, that's not what it's called. Vanille says hi. She's from Final Fantasy 13. Just saying that. I just want to let you guys know. Memes? Let's see if I actually have memes. Or can I access memes? Let's go back before we get attacked by MacPaz. Give memes. Yes, you must provide with me some memes. But let me continue also while that's happening. So mouse, you learn how to make things happen when the user clicks a link, a button, or an image by using... Oh, yeah, frick, I didn't do the image. So, memes. So, for later. So, next part. Man, I bet Vieweran is so proud. He's so proud of what we're doing. Source is equal to that, and then we'll leave it there. And alright, this is going to be mouse controls. So in this one it's more like on mouse over, we got that. Okay, cool. So we can on mouse over, you can use on mouse over event handling on other HTML elements too. So here's a bit of an inline code that displays an alert when a heading is moused over. So in other words, H1 on mouse over alert, or in this case greet, that we gotta greet that put a message in there, and then we say this is some dank header. That should be the message, actually. My header. My head. If you know what I mean. Okay, that's too lewd. My head. My HTML header. There we go. And that's going to end that, and then we're going to say this is my dank header alert. So if we run that now, or save it, redo it, refresh. Which one is this? Mouse over on my header. That's non-existent. Okay, so let's fix that. So mouse over. I don't see any header. I've been japed. My HTML header. Oh, they don't. What? Why do I have this up? That doesn't make sense. This needs to be like that. There we go. It's bolded. Yep. Thank you, Zipax. Yep. That was the problem. There we go. Ah, that's so cool. This site says this is my dank header alert. Wow. Okay. So, do I have something going on in general? Oh. Hey, said who 12, welcome back. Welcome back to Discord. If you guys want to join Discord, back in black. That's right. So if you guys are interested, if you want to hang out off stream, we can. It's a small community, so if you're a fan of small communities, great. And then eventually, if we can get if you want to pass parameters in function, I have it like that already with the. So every time I mouse over it, it's gonna do that. That's so cool. Let's see. Mouse over. What else? Okay, we can also do images. Do we have an image that we can use? Or what's up? How much more do I have till I get to the end of the events? Okay, so I have like one more event, but I don't want to end it off on a boring example. I want to make it actually look interesting. So let's do this. So what do we got? Well, come on. Can we have a small project that we can do with all what we just learned now? Let's see. We know about links, we know about buttons, we know about H1. I mean, not H1. Jeez. Okay, what should we have now? We have next thing is actually fields, and let me actually do that next before we try to come up with a project. Or if you guys have like a small, like, if you were a teacher and you were to give me a homework assignment based on what we just did, what would it be? And please keep it easy, please. I'm not an expert JavaScripter. So let me try out fields. So I'll do that. So after fields, that's literally the last event that they have in this book. But I'll end the stream after the project or the homework assignment that you guys are giving me. So fields. All right, let's make it happen. This is a markup that makes it happen. Wow. Okay, that's so weird. Keyword here is on focus. Handles both on focus. What the heck? Let's say you have a text field for user's email address. When user clicks in the field or to type her entry, the field turns yellow. This is the markup that makes it happen. Email is that input, not M with a P, M. Wow, why did I say input without the P? That doesn't make sense. I can't English today. Text. This size is equal to 30. On focus, please. This. Wow, this is complicated. What the heck? Is this CSS? background color. This looks like CSS. Alright. The keyword here is on focus. It tells Java to do something when the user clicks in the field. Okay, so we'll refresh that. Refresh. Can I please? Stop. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's cool. So on focus, set the style to background to be yellow. It lied to me. And make your code organized. Yes, I will. I just have it as a reference for now. Oh my gosh, it's a long text or a long link. Alright, let's see. Give me a second to figure out what this is. Oh my, I opened it twice. Alright, so wow, Windows Update, Windows User, Windows Update, Windows Users. Wow. They have a showdown. Oh my gosh. Okay. Email. So this hasn't changed the background color to be yellow, so okay, index file I'm not familiar with. I have no idea. I know there's probably like another way to like compile or write out your JavaScript, but I would like to keep it like inside a HTML or text file for now, because that's like I don't know, like I couldn't figure out at all how to do JavaScript outside or something, but let's see, email break, input type. I'm looking down here. Input type, size 30. On focus. Is it because this thing is capital F? See, like, what is up with that? Like, why is it fixes up to capital letters when I try to retype this? So this dot style dot background color capital C. Okay, if this works, I'll be surprised. Wow, it does. Wow, really? It auto fills to the wrong name, I guess, and just like, oh, you know, here, that's all you have to do. It's like, no, I don't. Apparently I have to get rid of the hyphen and capitalize the F, capitalize the C, and it's like, why Notepad++? Alright, so here we go. So get rickrolled. So how do I get image? I was trying to add an image. Please make an interactive meme gallery. I mean, I'll just take one picture. All right, how's that? Because I don't want to go too crazy with it, but here. Maybe I can. It's my turn to. Let's put some sax roll. Right, so I'm opening up a YouTube link, or getting the YouTube link. So I'm going to make a new one for reference. You're going to use this as reference, or maybe I should just redo everything here. Fields, we're not going to mess with that, I imagine. And sax rolled. Hopefully that's a valid move to do. And where are you guys? I can't find you in the second monitor. Alright, cool. There you go. And I'm going to replace this. No, don't want to click on it. There we go. Get rolled. And stop. Okay, that's kind of annoying. I gotta get rid of that. Mouse hover. I'll miss you. Where's my script tag? There we go. And then let's see. button, hello chat, button. Jeez. Let's redo that. Why is it still there? I got rid of it. Oh, is it because of this? Let's get rid of that. So, where's pictures? I need pictures. Will this work? If I access stuff from the C drive? And I can just start downloading memes. You can use link picture in source. Oh, like from the internet? Is that what you mean? So let's go look for some memes. Or put the pic inside the same folder. Oh, okay. Well, how about some Smash memes? And also, Rickroll. I mean, yeah, Rickroll and Smash Ultimate memes. So you guys are hyped about that? Oh my gosh. That. What's your favorite fighting game? Smash Bros, Pokken Tournament, Ultimate Marvel vs. Capcom. I hate that game. No, that's too weak. Waluigi. I can't find that Waluigi. What even is that? And just call it? Yeah. Okay, so I don't have any memes on standby, so let's have Waluigi. So we're gonna have Waluigi meme, right? Yep, this is it. Beautiful. Nope, this one. Everyone is here. I'll go with that. So, please, open a new tab so we can get the address, because apparently there's no option for that. Know your memes. Come on, please, let me just copy and paste. Please, thank you. Also, I just have it on the desktop, so I don't know if that would do justice. Image source, mouse over. So there is a way to change the image by using on mouse over. On mouse over, we'll switch it with a different meme. Not with that. You were trying to copy the page link, not the picture link. Aw, frick. Thank you. Oh, come on. Why does it take forever? Okay, there we go. That must be it. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Gotta love that long link. Source. Okay. Then we need another one. Another Waluigi. I'll take this one. This is so sad. Oh yeah, you can hide the meme. Yep. I don't know if I can... Oh my gosh. How can I even access that picture? I don't know if that's accessible. I'm not gonna go too far down because who knows? It might be something that's like bannable material. Frick. Do I really want to save this picture? Copy link. There we go. Wait, if the link is freaking to the website, please don't take me to the website. It takes me to the website. Yep. Frick. I really don't want to save it, but frick. Some guy's Twitter. Some advertisement going on in the stream. I guess we gotta find another picture. How about this one? Sakurai, what does it say? Assist trophies will help the fighters. Assist trophies. Aw. Why can't I copy the link? I guess I have to deal with know your memes. Okay, no Twitter. No Twitter. I didn't mean to advertise this guy. Go follow him. So, alright, cool. I'm just gonna use 2 pictures because apparently getting memes is a pain. Come on. There's Sakurai. He's just staring at me with cold eyes and like, it's like, what are you gonna do to me? He's like, I'm not gonna turn you into a meme, Mr. Sakurai. Oh my gosh, this is kind of disgusting. I can see what you mean, telling me to organize my code a bit. Oh my gosh, I just want to exit that out. Why does it take forever to do so? Come on. Alright. It's almost 2 hours. Let's see if I can get this done in 2 hours. It shouldn't be that much. Or what's going to take up most of the time is the freaking loading. But oh well, you know, that's okay. That's just normal. It's everyday programming. I mean, not programming, but computer stuff issues. Come on. Freaking no, and it's also Edge. Gotta blame Edge. Even though Edge gave me an 8, telling me how hot I am. So there's that. So mouse over. I'll stop there. Yeah. Alright, cool. So if we were to save, run this now. Oh my gosh, this is a huge picture of a meme. Why? And it's not even mouse over, so I did something wrong. Oh, and the buttons are down here. Okay. So, oh no. So we got that. Let me expand this out so it's probably easier to see. Don't need this. Let's get rid of that. Button, greet, hello chat. You're doing something wrong now. Source that. Oh, did I forget to close off the... Right. Thank you. Thank you, Zipax. I don't think that did it, but... Or did I have source? Yeah. This is not... There we go. Much better. That looks promising. Oh, there we go. Mouse out, mouse in. Alright, cool. So it changes the memes. Let me smash. Hey, at least you made it on Sakurai's desk. I didn't read that part of the meme. That's cool. And mouse out. I need to... Nah, I'll forget about mouse out. Alright. And apparently that's how you do it. And in order to rickroll, I would have to click on the button. Meme song. I guess this is it. This is gonna be we're gonna press viewer N here in a bit. So there's the meme song. Get rickrolled. What's gonna happen? It's gonna take us to rickroll. I mean, not rickroll. What's his name? Saxworld. Can you guys hear that? Yes, you can. It's probably very loud, so I'm gonna stop that right now. I apologize. That was unintentional. But hello chat, we don't need that. Got memes rolled. Let's do that. Let's organize the code a bit. Scripts, I guess, also needs to be. Thank you. I remember back in web dev where things were indented like this before. And I lied, it wasn't Rickrolled, it was Saxroll. So, wow. Okay. Well, what should I do for a button though? Okay, one more thing. What should I do for a button? Any ideas? Or did I already have a button? Yeah, I probably already have a button. Yeah, unclicked. Yeah. So if I were to run this wherever it is. Nope, that's not it. Where is it? Oh. What should I do for okay, so I did separate. Oh, that was a link, not a button. What should I do for a button then? Any interesting button thing I should add to this website before I end the stream? Well, while we make the button, let me just write out the standard button thing. So it's like, was it button? I don't remember how button's done. Boy, I'm going to come back and when I start off the stream, next stream tomorrow, or I plan to stream tomorrow maybe, but let's see. That's why there's also Discord to see if, you know, not only if you want to chat off stream, you can get up to date what's going on. If I'm going to stream tomorrow. Input type of button on value. Oh, okay. That's a good way to stream it, to end it off. Sorry, window close. It's not with the parentheses. On button click. Alright, let's try that. Button. Probably need a capital B. On click. Equals windows dot, oh, it's single, window dot close, and it's not a method. Or okay, the way I see it is like if it has a parentheses, it's a function, it's a method. If not, then it's just a, like, I don't know what you want to call it. Actually, I don't know. Not button. Oh, it does have the parentheses. Alright, so window.close, that looks good. Let's see, let's end it off right here, right now. Where is it? Oh, right there. The site you're on is trying to close this window. Do you want to close this window? Yes. Beautiful. Wow. Alright, thank you. Thank you, Zipax. That was a great closure. I'm making a stupid face. Too bad you guys can't see it. Alright, that was pretty interesting. I have fun doing this, so I hope you guys have fun too. Again, I can send you the Discord link if you want to join. I also do YouTube, but not as much, or I'm trying to fix that, so I'll also provide that if you guys are interested. And well, thank you for coming out and learning JavaScript and helping me out debug and making things look interesting. Hope you guys have fun, and hope you guys have a good night and or a good day, depending where you are, you know, time zones. And I hope to probably stream tomorrow, maybe. So we'll see about that. If not, I'll probably go and work on YouTube and upload new videos to it. So, alright. So, good luck to me with the freaking shots. So, oh boy, can't wait. It's my favorite part, right? So, I'll see you guys in the next stream. So, let's go find somebody to raid. To casually raid, you know? So, who to raid? I need to refresh the page because Twitch doesn't... It's not the best. Alright, so... Who to raid? So, who do we got? Alright. Let's go raid. Actually, I'll do a rando between two people. So, raid function. So, var is number is equal to math dot random. Come on. If number is greater than 0.5, then it's going to be the indie bro. He's a game designer, or he is a game. I don't know if he is officially one, but he's studying it, which is cool. Or I mean, I guess when people study, it's still considered to be you are a game designer. You're a student of the field, like I am. Well, I mean, okay, yeah. Gabzilli. There we go. So, alright, let's give it a shot. So we got obviously called the function. So, here we go. Raid. Yeah. See, that's the thing, Postal Rat. I don't really know the difference between let and const, so I just use the word var. And it's just, in the previous stream I mentioned, like if you don't know what it is, just stick to something you're comfortable with. And, you know, like, regardless how complex the program is, if it works in the end, great. It's kind of bad to have it like that, but still, like, stick to something comfortable. Like, for me, var, I'm more comfortable with it because I kind of know what it is. It's just a normal variable. But, like, let and const, let will only work inside the function. So so you're explicitly stating, like, this is a local variable then? Here, I'll put it for you guys. Let. And then if I JavaScript. And the winner is nothing. Where's my alert? They are pretty simple. Const won't let you reassign that variable. Const a equal 1. You can never do b equal 2. Yeah, it will work inside the block. Okay, so it's treated as a local variable. Just saying, like, this is a local variable then. Cool. And let me just figure out why this is not working. So if it's greater than that, then greet. You know what? I should actually use the function greet. What am I doing? So script. Yep. So this should work. It's a greet. Or it's an alert. Okay. I can't rate anybody if I can't get this thing to work. That's a big meme, so of course it's going to automatically switch to this. But I don't see any alerts. Let me do a test. Yeah, const is okay. Constant thing. I remember from C++, or I guess it does carry on over to any languages when you see the word const keyword. Let me do alert test. Test. Okay, so there's something wrong here then. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Math.random. I probably did random wrong. Oh, yep, it's lowercase r. And that's probably the reason why. Yep, okay, Gabzilla. Alright. So, alright guys. Inspect the page. Oh, Chrome has a great debugger. Inspect the page and watch the console. Yep. It's just too bad I'm using Edge, the best PDF viewer / JavaScript IDE JK. I'm just joking around with the whole Microsoft Edge thing, but yeah, I don't know. It's just something that automatically opened up my JavaScript stuff. So yeah, I kind of got lazy to not switch it over to Chrome. So, but yeah, I've seen that console before, but I never use it at all, because this is like first time I actually care about like a programming language that's involved with like web design. So all right guys, go have fun, and also try to add them text editor next time. That's the first thing you should learn. Oh well. Yeah, this book doesn't teach you about how to set things up. It just teaches you about like the language. So like, I don't know, like that's one of the things I struggle doing. So I remember back in my web design class, we had to use text editor. So that's all. So guys, have fun, give some love and support. So have fun. Bye.